In this Andre AI review, we're diving into the 7 crucial things you need to know about this newly released AI software. If you've been hearing all the buzz and are wondering if it's really worth the hype, stick around until the end to get the inside scoop, and I'll tell you exactly what you need to know. Right off the bat, let me tell you that you can actually try Andre AI completely free from the first link in the description below. Yes, you heard that right. You can explore its powerful features and see if it's the right fit for you before committing to anything. Now, let's get into what makes Andre AI stand out. For those new to AI software, Andre is designed to automate complex tasks, streamline workflows, and enhance productivity in ways that traditional software just can't match. It's intuitive, fast, and tailored for both beginners and seasoned digital marketers. One of the most impressive features of Andre AI is its ability to learn from your inputs and optimize tasks based on the data it processes. This means you're not just getting a static tool, you're getting a smart system that evolves with your business. Whether you're managing digital campaigns or tracking user behavior, Andre makes those processes smoother and more efficient. Another standout feature is its deep integration capabilities. Unlike other software, Andre integrates seamlessly with all the major platforms you're already using, including email marketing tools, social media schedulers, and CRM systems. This eliminates the need to juggle multiple tools and lets you centralize your operations, saving both time and money. The next big selling point of Andre AI is its user-friendly interface. For a tool with such powerful capabilities, it's surprisingly easy to use. No complex setups, no steep learning curves, just a clean, easy-to-navigate interface that lets you get to work right away. You won't find yourself wasting hours just trying to figure out how it works. One feature that truly sets Andre apart is its advanced predictive analytics. This isn't just about tracking your current performance, it's about forecasting trends and helping you make data-driven decisions. Imagine having a tool that doesn't just react to what's happening now, but proactively helps you plan for the future. This makes Andre incredibly valuable for digital marketers looking to stay ahead of the curve. Another thing to keep in mind is how well Andre handles personalization. Whether you're running ads, creating content, or managing customer relationships, Andre AI tailors its outputs based on your specific needs. This level of personalization ensures you're always getting the most relevant and impactful results. Lastly, Andre AI comes with a robust customer support system. If you ever run into issues or need help maximizing the software's potential, their team is responsive and highly knowledgeable. You'll never feel like you're on your own trying to figure things out. To wrap it up, Andre AI is a game changer for digital marketers, entrepreneurs, and businesses looking to leverage AI for better efficiency, smarter decision-making, and personalized results. It's one of the best new AI tools on the market right now, and you can try it for free using the link in the description. After trying thousands of AI tools myself, I've put together a list of my recommended AI software solutions in the description, all available for free trials. Don't miss out on discovering which tools can truly elevate your digital marketing efforts.